Empty. Come on! There we go. Crying out loud. Hey, hello, this is Nola Gospel with the H&R 22 LR 9-shot revolver. First of all, we are clear and safe. Nothing in the cylinder. The wife is at work. It's my day off. The cats are downstairs. I am the only one in this room, and there is no ammo in this room right now. Okay, so I don't know anything about this revolver. I just bought it because I wanted a revolver and 22 long rifle. I have no idea who HR is. I didn't even bother to look it up, but they are out of Gardner, Massachusetts, USA. That's what it says here on the side of the gun here. I never really had a lot of luck with this thing. It's kind of difficult to be accurate with it. It's not really that hard to shoot. Single action. What? Single action. Double action. No, I'm not flagging myself. Okay, so don't bother pointing that out. This is not aimed at me right now. So anyway, yeah. So this is basically a piece of junk. Okay, so let's just go to the range here and see how it performs. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll try the Aguila first. 22 Super Extra, 40 grain. And a revolver, a light primer strike. God damn, it's not even worth it here, man. Jeez. All right, maybe it's this particular ammo causing trouble with the cylinder. All right, Remington goalie bullets. Go one-handed, headshot first. Okay, go for the hands. Look at that. What the hell? What the heck? Sorry. God. Bull crap. Federal Punch, 29 grain. Look at that, 2 didn't go off there. And there's crap again. All right, finally. All right, got him at eye, got him right here below the eye, got him here, got him here, got him here, got him in the neck. Yeah, I mean, this is pathetic. Look at this, Federal Punch. Can you see? Look at that. Yeah, sure. And this thing, forget this, man. but a piece of junk. Okay. I was going to try some more brands of ammo like this, and I got these guys here. Screw it, man. Okay, I'm done. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.